Today we're going to be installing a new bar and chain on our Stihl saw. You notice this one is old and dirty, so we're going to add nice, new, clean, and sharp. So to do this, we're going to start by taking off the nuts. And keep them where you can see them, because you definitely don't want to lose your nuts. Cover plate. And this should just slide right off very easily. And from HLSupply, we've got great replacement bars, chains, all your chainsaw needs. This one we're using today is Raisman bar and matching chain. Good to go. And we've got our chain, 55 link, and the bar. Important to remember that the chain is going in the proper way it's going to cut. Nice, easy install. And you just want to line this back up around the spur sprocket. For a later video, we can show you how to replace that, the clutch drum washer and the E-clip. Right now it's lined up. Got your chain adjustment screw here. It's very simple. We're just going to go back on, apply the nuts. We can retighten. Now that our new bar and chain is installed, you may notice that it's not quite tight enough. Loosen those nuts.
That's good, not that much.
Not too much though. Don't get too loose. With this screw right here. And you can see here where it's pulled a little tighter. Tighten her back up. Ooh, that looks good. Don't forget to tighten the nuts. Now you're ready to cut down trees.